Hello YouTube, I'm Xavier, I'm a web developer who loves JavaScript, and as a web developer I love to make web developer tools. And that's how I got the idea to build my own content management system. So in this tutorial series I will show you how to use it. Let's dive into it. In this video we'll look at the setup, installation process, and then run the program. In the next videos we will walk through each of its functionalities and workflow. The first step, how to install the dependencies. If you don't have Node.js and MongoDB already, you can find the links for the binaries in the description of this video, and you can come back to the video as soon as the robot is installed. With the dependency installed, you can now go on npm and look for Mr. Cosmic-XCMS to find the npm command for installation. Once you have it, you can open the terminal and create your new npm project. So here I'm creating a project. Let's call it a new website, and go into that folder, init your project with npm init-yes for fast setup. Now pass the command into your terminal to start the installation process. It should not be very long. Once the installation process is over, you can continue by opening your project in your favorite editor, code editor, and create your first file. I skipped the process here because I recorded the video just before. And yeah, you can follow the documentation. You have a one-liner to start it, and then you have it. So once you're connected, you will go to the CRM page and look for change an admin password. Once the password is changed, you won't have to change it, but if your project is online, I recommend to change it. After that we are done. I see you in the next video for the tutorial to begin.